Barbie, Barbie, please bring the dinner. It is so late. I have office tomorrow. Barbie, are you here? Please bring the dinner. What does happen, Ken? Why are you calling me? Barbie, you know that I have office tomorrow. Please bring the dinner. It's so late. I have meeting also. I have to sleep today very early. You know that. Ken, I'll ask you a question. Will you answer it honestly? Yes, of course, Barbie. Do you have any love or care for me or my son? What does happen, Barbie? Why are you talking like this? You have no care for us. You don't know what is happening in your house. You are only busy in your work, in your office, and you are happy with that. No, Barbie, it is not like that. What does happen? I'm cooking in this kitchen for long years, and you know there is shortage of cooking stuffs, equipments, everything. And I had told you about this long time ago, and you promised me that you'll bring a modular kitchen for us. Oh, Barbie, actually I just forgot. Okay, it's no problem. I'll buy it. No, I don't believe you. Because after some days you'll again say that no, I can't manage my office, I don't have time, please adjust in this kitchen. But today I'll not listen to any single words of yours, Ken. I'm very angry with you. Please, Barbie, try to understand that the post that I hold in the office has so much responsibilities. Yes, I don't say that you don't have any work, but you have no time for me and my son. This is not right, Barbie. Please try to understand. Okay, then promise me that tomorrow you'll take a leave from your office and you'll come with us to buy a modular kitchen. Tomorrow is not possible, Barbie. I've already told you that I have an important meeting. I don't know anything, Ken. This is the last time. If you really care about us, you'll come with us tomorrow for the modular kitchen. Barbie, please try to understand. In this weekend, I'll manage this modular kitchen for you. No, Ken, I can't adjust in this small kitchen room all the time. I can't do this. Barbie, please try to understand. Daddy, don't make Mama cry like this. Please bring the modular kitchen for us so that Mama can make more tasty foods for us and I'll eat more. Please, Daddy, please. Barbie, Barbie, I'm really sorry. I don't want to make you cry. Please, Barbie, don't cry like this. I am really sorry. I had no intention to make you cry. Okay, so tomorrow we'll go and buy the modular kitchen for you. Okay? Okay, and I'll cancel the meeting. It's no problem. We'll have the modular kitchen, and I guess it needs some setup, and I'll manage that too. Please, please don't cry. I worked so hard for you and my son. You two are the world for me. I have care for you. But Ken, you don't need to cancel the meeting tomorrow. You have worked really hard for it, and we can go there in the next weekend. There is no problem. I'll adjust. No, Barbie, you don't need to worry at all. I can cancel the meeting and I can shift it. In this way, I can also find some time for my family too. There is a long time that I didn't spend time with you too. You don't need to worry, Barbie. And are you happy now?
Yes, Papa, I'm very happy.
Okay. And then I'm bringing the dinner because in the morning we have to wake up very early tomorrow. So you people talk, I'm just coming. And I just want to say to every guy and every man out there